Welcome back everyone to another video, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can refactor your UI very easily using CSS grids. So it's one of the pros I outlined in the beginning of that series of videos. So if we're here and let's say 6 months later we want to change that UI, it's really easy. We just have to change the template and everything will follow. So let's say I get here and I want my navigation here, navigation, then I want something like nothing, and I want the header and nothing. Then I will want same, I want nothing. So you can use spaces or more dots, it just doesn't really matter. There will go the main section. Main, here we go. Then will come first section, second section. Yes, something like this. Then we'll have, let's say, an empty row that will just act as a buffer. There you go. It's not really aligned well, but you understand the principle. Footer, and now I'm going to define some things. So here we go, 350, 350 for instance, and another one FR. I need to define the height of each column. Let's say this one is 2 FR, it's going to be like a hero image or something. 1 FR, automatic. So if you had like text and stuff in your header and main section and stuff, you wouldn't have to add artificial height, but it's pretty much what you want. And if I just save this, I need to, of course, comment this one, and this one is not used anymore. I just save it, and ta-da! You just refactor your UI very easily, and you don't have to worry too much about the HTML and everything. So awesome! Next video is going to be the one I promised. So it's going to be more about dynamic layouts and how to add rows and columns dynamically and stuff. So I hope to see you there. Cheers!